What's up, my lovely people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for others to see, and also leave a comment down there. We are all learning. It's a learning process for me, it's a learning process for someone else out there. Share the video so that people can also watch and learn. There are some comments I'm receiving or I'm getting on my other videos, which I think is very important and it's helping. In this video, we were able to get a vet on the farm, and he vaccinated the pigs, give them multivitamin, and also he dewormed them. Later on in this video, you are going to see all the kind of vaccines and multivitamins that we give the pigs. So enjoy the video, and please don't forget to share for others to see, and also leave a like, leave a comment. Bye bye. Yeah, so if you are still watching the video till this point, thank you very much for staying. And as you've seen in the video, the pigs have been vaccinated and they've been given a multivitamin and they've been dewormed. Yeah, the vaccination is against bacterial infection. Since they've been introduced to a new location, we needed to vaccinate them against all the bacterial infections or anything that would affect them in any way. Thank you very much for staying. And yeah, as I've said already, it's a learning process. We are all learning. If you've seen something in the video that you think need to be corrected, please draw my attention to it. And yeah, next time we will do it the appropriate way. Thank you again. Also, please remember to share the video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel so that any update, any other updates that we bring to you, you can receive it firsthand. Also, click on the bell notification and set it to all. Yeah, thank you very much for staying. God bless you all. Peace.